What is up, everybody? I got the new iOS. Let's talk about it. Let's jump right in. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to show you a bit about it. I can't show you much of the lock screen. I can show you the lock screen. It looks like this. But if I lock the phone, the video recording stops. So I can't show you that. But it's got some new, nice, glossy passcode buttons. It's a bit laggy. I don't know how obvious that shows up, but it's really slow. I think that's because the phone's quite hot. So let's look at what we're going. So look at these icons. We've got some new cool stuff. I'm liking how glossy these look. Let's go into settings, so let's see what's going on in there. So this is the new settings UI. Oh, they're giving you a search bar at the bottom, it's no longer at the top. You can see all of that sort of stuff in general. About. And it says iOS version, iOS 26. Yes, that's what we want. Coming out of there, there's not much in there, I don't know. We got this. Let's look in mail. So in mail, I'm just showing you this as there's nothing confidential in here. And you can see there's like a search option that sort of pulls up here. You got this compose, to compose a new email. And you can filter. All of these sort of buttons have been brought down the bottom, which I think is quite a nice improvement. I like them being down there. That's very nice. Let's go into music. So this is the new music application. So I was listening to a song. You could tap on it to bring it up and close it down. You go over to home. I like it how the bottom bar, when it moves along, sort of like bounces like that. Very nice, very nice. It's very good. I'm liking this. I'm really excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm well excited. Should we see if there's any changes in home? Oh. It's thinking about it. Hello. Okay, maybe that's not working. This is why you shouldn't run a beta on your public device, on your personal device, because it's buggy and clearly it's not happy. Let's go into phone. Try a new layout. Just trying the new layout. I'll have to blur some of this out, but as you can see, you've got contacts and then recents. And you go over to contacts. Keypad, that looks kind of the same. They've not changed that up. All that sort of stuff. Oh, how do I get back? You can search, all that sort of stuff. This is looking quite nice. I like this layout. I'm liking this new layout. Should we try messages as the next one? I have a blank screen. Ah, it's loaded. Let's get in there. This kind of looks the same. I'm not sure what happens if I press these buttons at the top. They don't work. It's one of the key things. Hold on a moment and we'll cut to when it works. Okay, now it's working. Okay, as you can see, I'm blurring some of this out, of course. But you've got those buttons, and they all look quite nice. You can do all these unknown. You can manage. Oh, managing filters and settings. We'll jump back over to here, and you got all this. There wasn't anything in the setup process that I saw that you needed to know. What else should we have a look at? Let's have a look. What else is there now? So this is the new glossy look. Is the design? Let's have a look at the new camera application. So as you can see, it's the new camera app. It's very blurry. Yeah, that's better. You can see yourselves. You've got the photos and video options. I like that. And you just sort of drag to the rest of it. It's much cleaner look. You only see what you actually use. Because realistically, 99% of people just use the video and photos function. Flip around. You've got all the controls up here. Ooh. Oh, you could just swipe into them. Oh, I like that. So what you do is you just sort of go, weep, and it pulls up. That's very nice. I like the new app icon. I'm not sure about these app icons moving. They claim they move. You might be able to see it better than I can. I can't really see it. Tell you what I'll tell you is very interesting. Is that icon there, that YouTube icon. That's a new glass YouTube icon. So they were already on top of the curve. And so is the Shopify icon. I'm not sure if you can see that. Some people have already updated their app icons. So clearly, if you knew about it early enough, you've done it. I'll be updating mine soon. They'll be coming. But I think these are very nice. Let's have a look at Safari. So I'm on thomasdyer.net. And as you can see down here, you've got these sort of buttons. They sort of represent what's below them. Let's click on that. You could just sort of tap on it and you get the keyboard up. That's all the normal stuff. Buttons here. I don't like this. They've made it more taps to get to some of this shit. But it looks quite nice. It looks very, very nice. I'm liking it. If you go to messages, say we compose a new message. So I'm on the new message compose section. And as you can see, you've got the new keyboard layout. Say I want to send something to myself. So I'm sending a message to myself. And you could just see the new layout with the keyboard. Hello. Coming from iOS 26. Oh, looks very nice. Oh, the bubbles. They look a bit different. I should hopefully receive a reply in a minute. You can see up here, it's showing you in the bit up there. It's showing you in the bit up there whether it's sending, which I think is quite nice. Yeah. Let's have a look at the Photos app. So I'm in the Photos application, as you can see, and you can sort of just pinch and zoom. That works the same. You've got these new, like, glossy buttons, and I like this. They haven't changed any of this style. I like the fact they brought the tabs back. It's a bit slow at the moment, but overall, I'm quite happy with it. Yeah. It's looking very nice. So, they don't seem to have updated the clock or anything like that. There's new widgets. Let's look at the Maps application. You can see it's just got the same sort of stuff down here. I'm not sure what else to show you. I've kind of glossed over it quite quickly. I don't really know what's going on with the folder. I don't know if you can see the home folder. It looks a bit odd with the way they've glassed the folder. But anyway, these look quite nice. Some of these applications have been updated, like the WhatsApp icon and the Messages icon. So clearly people have had it. Anyway, I think I'll call that a wrap on this video. It's just sort of been me showing you it. There you go, it's saving the video now. If you want to see something specifically, leave it in the comments and I'll do a follow-up video if there's enough people who want to see stuff, and I'll mark off all of your comments. But what do I think about this design? I think this is a revolutionary change, and I think we're going to see this come to other stuff across different companies and stuff. Clearly all these app icons are going to go glass and glossy, and I think that's going to be quite good. But I'm excited to see where this goes. I've not covered any of the developer sort of things, but I will be covering some of them in later videos, probably later this week, possibly next week, depending on when I get around to it. But yeah, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you soon.